So you want to make a mesh gradient in Figma? They're awesome for adding some depth and a modern vibe to your designs. You've got a couple of ways to do it. The quick way by using a plugin or doing it manually for more control if you prefer. Well, do both in this video. Let's talk plugins first since they're super speedy. Head over to the Figma Actions in the lower menu bar and click the Plugins and Widgets section. Just search for Gradients Lab and install it. Inside the plugin, you can shuffle positions of colors. Click the plus sign to add a new color. Click the refresh button to check various color palette. You can also extract colors from an image by uploading it. Toggle to preview mode to see how it looked. You can also change the positions of colors manually by toggling to custom color position, Here you can increase and the intensity of color by toggling the small white bar near the color circle. If you slide the menu down, you find more effects to play with. You can change the gradient style, also patterns like grain or lines. You can also adjust the amount, opacity, contrast, brightness, and hue if you need. When you're happy, click Add to Canvas.bot. The plugin spits out your gradient, either as a raster image, not a vector. And that is the problem with a free version of this plugin. This means if you zoom the mesh image, it will pixelate finally. Besides this issue, you can change the aspect, ratio, and size of an image. If you afford it, buy the paid version or create mesh manually from scratch, which I will show you now. Let's delete the gradient we created first. Start by adding a new frame to your wall. Press F and create a new frame, something around 440 by 956, which is the screen size of iPhone 16 Pro Max. Fill that frame with a base color, maybe light blue. Press O or the ellipse tool and create circles by holding Shift. A common setup is 5, 1 in each corner and 1 smack in the middle. For a more natural, less perfect look, you could use the pen tool to draw some loose blob shapes instead, but I am good with circles for now. Give each shape its own color. Go for bold, contrasting ones to really make that gradient pop. If you go the blob route, you can tweak their shapes even more. Next up, apply a layer blur to every single shape. You'll find that setting over in the right-hand sidebar under the effects panel. Crank that blur value way up, like between 200 and 300, so all the colors melt together smoothly. The default setting is uniform, but you can go with progressive too. Finally, just nudge the shapes around and resize them until the whole blend looks perfect to you. If this walkthrough helped you out, giving the video a like and subscribing to the channel would mean a lot. Drop a like in the comments too, so I can find you and say thanks personally for the support. Hope this helps you out. Take care.